gonna be Christmas soon. And guess what? Today I'm giving away a gift, but it's not for Christmas. Today's my free Succulent Toolkit giveaway. So I'm up to 34 subscribers, and so one lucky subscriber will get the 15-piece toolkit. Let's look at it now. Okay, so let's see what everybody, what that one lucky subscriber gets. You get the water bottle, the squirt bottle, all these scoopers, all these neat things, the brush, a little mini rake, and a couple of shovels. Now this is my set. The one lucky subscriber, the one winner, gets a brand new set, okay? I'm ordering a brand new set and I'll ship it to you right away. All right, so here's the names. I mean, I have 34 subscribers, but I probably only have like 15 names, because sometimes when you subscribe on YouTube for the free giveaways, you have to really read in the description how it works. Because if you have your subscription listed as private, I can't see your name. So I'm going with either those who commented or those with subscriptions that I was able to view. So this is my big brother Neil's Christmas stocking from my mom from like 1975. Anyway, let's see here. Okay, so jingle bells in the toes. Okay, here it goes. This is gonna be it. This is the real deal. Oh my gosh. It is my friend Cynthia back. Oh, this was not rigged. So Cynthia may not want this gift, and if that's the case, I'm going to have a second drawing. Or how about this? Why don't we just do a second name? Because Cynthia, I don't think she really gardens that much, but she is in Sedona, Arizona, and her house is beautiful. This is cool. Okay, Vicki Barber, you know who you are. Great meeting you at the Sedona and the Flagstaff Mall. All right, Vicki, you might be the winner of this toolkit. So, folks, bear with me 1 minute longer so I can give you a succulent update. I mean, you gotta see how all my babies are doing. All right, happy holidays, and a lot of goodwill to you and your families. Thank you. Hey everybody, here's my succulent update. Oh, started out with what, 30 or 40? Ran it up to over 200 succulents now because my succulents are so happy they're all having babies. Every leaf off of this plant when I pulled is giving babies. That's actually one of my favorite succulents. This is it. There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 new babies to be pulled off that stem. Oh my God, so beautiful. Wow. I'm really enjoying this. More babies. Look at those tiny babies. Those babies right there still suckling off mommy's leaf, off the mother plants. Anyway, I'm really happy with how all my succulents have been doing. So I want to give you an update of what's going on in the backyard also. So these are more babies that are in restorative area of the house because the birds got to them. Those are pretty. Oh my gosh. Those are on the table in the front room. I just think they're gorgeous. All right, here's some propagation happening. A lot of these succulents need to be snipped off the stem and potted in their individual little pot so they can grow up really big. This one's gorgeous. Even on this stem, it's got 3 full succulents ready to be pulled and replanted. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And here's some new pieces. Some of them babies, but I did buy a couple of new succulents when Orchard Supply Hardware went out of business. But all these are babies. Babies. Oh, so, so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. There's my Kalanchoe. He doesn't do much. He just sits there and looks pretty. Keep looking pretty, Kalanchoe. Now, here's the backyard. I just have a hodgepodge of things happening back here. Different grasses growing. All the succulents seem to be super happy. They're all getting very big. They're just huge. Oh my God. Look at these. These are very big. From a distance, you can't tell. All right, here's my little favorite things here. Zoom back in. A couple months ago, I pulled off all the little babies and repotted them, and now they're growing and really thriving. So look at this, I have new babies. I'd already gotten 12 new babies off those 3 mommy succulents. So what else is happening back here? There's some new growth there. Looking good. Those look healthy. I love how the jade colorized itself this autumn with a little bit of low water. And then that bed right there is very pretty. Thank you so much for watching. It's such a joy to be doing this. Thanks for giving me something to do in my old age. Take care, everyone. Here's what's happening in the front yard. All of the succulents are growing really well. They seem to be quite happy here. And I love this arrangement. I think it's very pretty. And then there's my Santa sign. I painted that thing this year. I love how it turned out. They all look so healthy. And I love this arrangement too. Just a couple of different succulents in one pot together. It's so special, so inviting right at the front door. And then there's this thing. Look how gorgeous these are. I've probably got about 12 or 13 succulents in that pot. They're all doing really well, super happy. So that's my succulent update. Take care. Thanks for watching.